Welcome to another video, guys. On tap, February 22nd, we have an epic snowstorm. We're expecting 3 to 4 feet on Mount Lemmon. There's Chloe. And Mount Lemmon's about 9,000 feet tall. And this is something that really I haven't seen in all of my 49 years, where it snowed basically all day and accumulated all day. The desert's beautiful when it snows, and I absolutely love it. And it was fun to get out, and there's Bia, and explore around. So hope you enjoy this. Alright guys, so I wanted to show you, I had a little bit of trouble. It was mostly sliding, but as soon as I put it in X mode and took traction control off, made it up here no problem. This is a hill I've gone up in my other videos. Had to use X mode just in the dirt in the past. I don't know what the grade is, 7 or 8, maybe a little bit more than that. We made it up with some X mode action. But you've seen this area in my videos before. This is the desert out kind of where I used to live, but it's beautiful, and there's like, we call this just the cow pond, and it fills up with monsoons and obviously with all the rain and snow we've had this year. But it's fun for me to get the car out in the snow. I landed the drone because it was getting pretty snowed up, and of course my GoPro just decided to freeze on me. I've been having trouble with the 7 since I did an update, and I don't know if it's related to the cold. I don't think so, but anyway. All right, so the GoPro's back working, so we're gonna see. So we're going back on this trail here. It's not a rough trail or anything, but it's just covered in snow, so it'll be interesting to see how the car does. But I'm gonna try to put this camera outside again, but it's just so hard to keep it clear, but we'll see what we can do. right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I had a great time goofing around in the snow. The Crosstrek did great. The KO2s did great, but of course I don't have anything to compare them to because I don't drive in snow very often. The last time was probably when I was in college. So had a great time. Hope you enjoyed seeing what the road looks like in the summertime. And we will see you guys soon for the 10,000 mile update and a surprise modification. Cheers, guys.